Productions.
Outstanding.
Welcome again to another video. It's a boy eldohradoproductions, and in this video I'm going to show you something make this song a little bit interesting to me personally, and how you can really use this to kind of beef up your lead vocals and just get creative with your mixing. Now for this particular video, it's a song from Was. I'll be sure to leave a link in the description to his Instagram. You can really check out his music also on YouTube. And this song is a song that I'm producing, and for this demonstration is just for the lead vocals only. Now I was mixing this song and I thought, no, this song can have a little bit more beefiness to it. It's not about like width or something like that, but I think it could be a little bit more beefy. So what I did was just mute the instrumental. This is the track with everything on it.
Pretty skin, body fat, hotter than one who clock. You no favor, no day goes. Work your own money, wear your own clothes.
Now what I did, let me mute this. And
pretty skin, body fat, hotter than one who clock. You no favor, no day goes. Work your own money, wear your own clothes.
So as you can see, as I enable that particular track, it get a little bit more thicker. And there are many ways you can thicken your sound, but for this particular one, I just use one plugin on practically one settings. And if you have neither of these two plugins, you can really do it. So for the chain, I duplicate this particular the lead vocal here. I duplicate it and add vocal bender here. What I did initially is just pitch down the Formant side of the plugin. If you have the one from Soundtize, also you can really use it, because for some reason they have vocal bender on the one from Soundtize. It has different tonal characteristic, and for this particular vocals, I think this one works for this particular mix. So without the Formant plugin on it,
pretty skin, body fat, hotter than one who clock.
I'm going to mute the background vocal.
Pretty skin, body fat, hotter than one who clock. You no favor, no day go.
It's practically the same track. I just duplicated, turn it down to about minus 20 dB. You can really adjust it, because initially I did have it higher than this, but you just can adjust it to taste for that particular vocal. And what I did when I add, this is what it sounds like with the Formant plugin on it. Alright, so I'm gonna mute the endings also. I'll let you hear it without the Formant.
You no favor, no day goes. Work your own money, wear your own clothes.
With the Formant. So play it again.
Pretty skin, body fat, hotter than one who clock. You no favor, no day goes.
So it is subtle there. It's not really that audible. It's just to add something, but for me personally, it doesn't have to be audible. You can add it on particular words or phrases in the song. But for this particular song, what I did also for the last chorus, I muted it out here and pretty much have it unmuted on the intro also, and pretty much have it throughout the entirety of the song. So I'm going to play it in context and let you hear the mix here.
Pretty skin, body fat, hotter than one who clock. You no favor, no day goes. Work your own money, wear your own clothes. You no need no man, have car and land. Tell them you run your own show.
So as you can hear, it adds a bit of muscle to the vocal, so it sounds a little bit more beefier and a little bit more thicker. So as I was saying, you have many approaches to this particular type of stuff, but for this particular vocal, for this particular mix, I chose this approach to this vocals. So If this was helpful to you somewhat, please do leave a like, leave some comments. Please do join our Discord server. There's a link in the description below. And I'll catch you in the next video. It's a boy Eldoh. Without further ado, peace out.